Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Silver Fox here. Hey, I finally got my 2023 reverse proof Morgan Peace Dollar set. I have 5 orders here. They're going to 5 customers, and then I have a friend sending me a set of 4 that I'll do a product review on later. But without further ado, I have the box open here. I'm going to take it off camera to take out my shipping information. And then I'll let you take a look at these coins here real quick. And so I've really been looking forward to these. Oh, you know what? Well, it's at the bottom, but I'll take it out anyways. I've really been looking forward to this set coming out, and it seemed like a lot of people canceled after they found out that the Mint was going to do this for 2024. It's got the paper, kind of cheapy paper box here. It's kind of flimsy. This is kind of flimsy too. But I've really been looking forward to this for the last over a year. And the funny thing is, I had a subscription put in for 5 last August. I got a credit card reminder a week ago. And before that, I also updated my credit card information and my shipping address because it changed. And I double checked that it was the 2023 Morgan Proof reverse set that I had a subscription of 5 on, and on drop day, guess what? Nothing got charged. Well, you could get a charge a week ahead of time. Nothing got charged and nothing got shipped. And so the day prior to Veterans Day, which was technically Saturday but observed Friday, so I called the Mint, I think on Thursday, and said, hey, look, where's my order? I had it placed, and I got these email reminders. And the lady said she couldn't find it. And I said, well, why did I get a credit card reminder? And she said she didn't know. And I said, so what should I do? Should I wait for you to figure out where it went, or should I just order some? And so guess what? I ended up ordering it the day after, which kind of stinks because my trust with the US Mint is a little bit toast, because if this product remained hot, thank God it didn't, but if it remained hot, I would have been up a creek, especially for my customers, and I have one for myself. So anyways, I'm disappointed with that. I don't know if I'll continue with these Mint products after that experience and just a subscription disappearing. So without further ado, we'll do the first one. And who knows, there might be a Gibson COA, special COA, but it doesn't look like it. If you look, my Morgan's already falling out of the cheapy velvet plastic case. Same with my piece, like it's not even in there. But here you go, boys and girls. Isn't that pretty? And I think there is some like felt residue on the capsules, so it's not truly going to be a great looking coin per se on camera. But let me take a look here. It actually looks really clean. I really like it. The devices are it just pops. I like how Liberty still has that like highlighted in the fields look. So you can actually see it, so it's not just mirrored. I think they did a good job on that. And I like the piece better. There's something about it. I know a lot of people like Morgan's, but I think... Oh, what's going on here? I don't know if you can tell. There's like this slight discoloration across her cheek. Can you see that? I don't know what that is. and then it kind of goes away. I'm not sure what that is. You can faintly see it. Let's show you the birds. They're both beautiful. Wow. I don't know, there's something about that piece that just pops. So pretty. I'm not sure if anybody can tell, there's like this little line that goes underneath E. pluribus. You can barely make it out, but it's there. So, 1 for 1, we got something going on here. There's that, I don't know what that is. This weird line to it. So we'll put that back. We got 2 coins of COA. We're closing it. On to the next. Open the cheap box. COA. Look, we got a Morgan flopping around like a fish out of water. Looks like the piece is in there still. Yeah, I think there's like morning, daily releases, but for the most part, these are sold out. 250,000 release. I think I like this set a little bit better. Flip them around. Yeah, these look nice. I like this set a lot better. It looks cleaner. Pops a little bit more. I'm not sure why. But it looks like a nice set. These things are so chintzy. They really need to do a better job on packaging. I'm surprised for $180, that's what we're gonna get. It's cheap. Cheap, cheap, cheap. All right, here's the third one. I don't think we looked for a special COA on that last one. You never know. Let's take a look before we continue on. No special COA in that one either. You never know. All right. We got a Morgan flopping around. Piece looks good in there. Both of these look pretty good. There's some like felt residue. Can't tell if that's felt or what, but it looks like little specks on the Morgan down here. Like almost on that cheek, or sorry, chin, just a little bit down from the chin. Just doesn't look clean for some reason. Let's go to the next. These look pretty good on the back here. Some good luster. I don't know, I kind of wish that they made all the coins like this because I think it does look nicer, but obviously it's a proof coin, so you'd never see this in circulation or anything. I do wish they made more. Alright, let's open this one. No special COA here. These look pretty good. There's some more felt residue. There's a couple of specks like there. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, guys. I apologize. But there's like some specks. Maybe it's some lint inside the capsule. I can't really tell, but there's some little white specks on the cheeks, chin there. What I was seeing on that Morgan from like 3 boxes ago, maybe it's just the outline of the chin. And for some reason it doesn't look clean. Something with the dyes, I'm not sure. These look pretty good. It seems like we're having problems with the obverses and not the reverses. Strange. Gosh, these are so cheap. Like, they're not even perfect fit. They bend and sway and stuff. Come on, Mint, if you're watching this, better packaging for 180 bucks, please. All right, last one. No special COA. Here's our Morgan. There's a white speck there. Right there, I don't know if you can see it. Not sure what that is. And there's a very faint like, almost looks like, I don't know if you can see it, almost looks like a very small drop of grease or something. Yeah, you see that? And then I'm gonna guess the reverses look fine. Yep, they look great. So I'm not sure what that little smear thing is. If I can get this thing out now. I don't know what that smear thing is, if it's from the robots picking up these coins to put them in the capsules. I don't know. But they're sold out, and I have orders for 8 and I got 9, so someone's gonna have to end up with this coin or sell it or what. And I don't have refunds because I can only get some money and it's sold out, so disappointed that somebody's got to get that coin, but it's gonna have to happen. So all in all, guys, I'd say 4 had issues and 1 looked pretty good. I'm not impressed that 1 out of 5, so basically 20% is good. Disappointed for my customers. I want good looking coins for my customers, and unfortunately it's a sold out set. So all these are gonna have to go out to people, and I just hope people are understanding on, I don't pick the coins, I just get them and I send them. So got no return policy, sold out, so I just hope people are happy, even if it's not a 70, that they got them in hand and they can keep them and enjoy them and hand them to their kids or something. So it is what it is. I got another 4 coming from my friend, and then we'll do a review on that. So, coming up, Mint, please impress me with the next 4. Otherwise, I'm going to be rethinking things for the next series and maybe even the 2.5 military medal coming up. So, all right, guys. Sorry, I'm a little bit drained. I had a very long day, and I got home and I got to ship these out. So, running on fumes here, and it's a Friday afternoon, so lots of traffic. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. That next video should be coming out in a couple days, so we'll see you. Take care.